Well, welcome back to the channel, everybody. Rather a cool Friday going on right now. And I sucked smoke down my throat. Lots going on. Dylan here for a few days, helping out with gathering firewood and such. It's been damp, cloudy, wet, you name it. 38 degrees right now at almost noon. And as you know from a previous video, I traded my 20-foot Landau for an 18-foot flat bottom boat to use with the mud motor. And it developed a leak, which we got it here on the bank yesterday. I did some patching on it with some marine sealant, and we're going to see if we can just keep it from sinking long enough to gather some firewood with this. We've got some that's along the bank that we can't reach from the bank, so we have to reach it from the water. And we'll see how this works out. Well, with my medical restrictions as they are, we are down on the bank, and approaching is Dylan, who's coming out for a few days just to help out with some firewood gathering and other odds and ends. And of course, he's bringing his dog Lupa, who's going to be spending the winter with us.
Your sister's on there, Julie. Lupa's on there.
And Takani is going to be one happy puppy. He grew up with Lupa, and they are best buds. So we're going to see what his reaction is when he realizes Lupa is on this boat.
Gotta get in the boat. Yeah, look, he's happy. Let me see his sister. He's probably wondering how nobody's opened the door for him. Well, what'd you say? Lupa would come on and he'd leave the boat alone? Go see your sister.
Go. And in an attempt to be neighborly, we had the mail for one of our neighbors, which was several bags. And we headed out in Frank's boat trying to reach him, but unfortunately the water was just too low. So we'll find another way. I saw other boats that have already come through here, so.
Am I getting my Alaska Girl credits?
Yeah. Well, thanks to the neighborhood beavers, we have lots of birch laying down that's been down since last year. They moved through the area, built a dam not too far away from this spot, and What we're going to do is cut up this fallen birch, get it stacked, and then we come back and pick it up later with the mud motor. Alaskan mud. Nothing like it anywhere. I've been on a shelf like this before and had it completely give way and cave in. Lupa had one cave in with her a couple of 3 years ago, and she went floating down the river. Found her about a mile downriver on a sandbar. It's in the boat. So how is the dam?
The big one's still there.
What do you mean?
The great big one is still there.
The one right
That's
up?
the one I thought you had taken out.
No, I took out the channel there on the left-hand side of it.
It's certainly pouring now.
Yep.
You can almost use that for drinking water.
Yep.
It's so clear. All right, now I have to figure out how to get back down there. I guess I have to go back the way I came.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, well, it was a pointy stick. My son's first chopping. All right, Dylan, let's go. This is for perpetuity. When you're old and you're teaching your grandchildren how to chop wood.
Chopped wood before. It's been a while.
When have you chopped wood?
When I was 10.
When you were 10?
Yeah.
Okay, well.
I did chop differently than this too.
And they probably didn't give you heavy, hard stuff to chop at 10 years old.
Pretty much this. I was 10. Alright.
Pick up another one. Go find, there's another birch right over there.
Matter?
You can take the big ones if you want.
This way.
That one will be harder, but you can try it. All right, so what you want to do is aim towards the back so that you split towards the back first. It helps break it open.
This?
Yeah. See? Got a nice big crack down the middle.
It's punky.
That's not punky.
It's punky.
Put it down on the ground and then use your foot. Pull the axe towards you, like press down towards you. All right. There you go. Try to get it out before you put it back up on there because you have more leverage on the ground.
It has to hit the same spot.
Remember Taekwondo? Follow through all the way.
Okay.
You're bouncing.
You see this?
Yeah.
When it gets hung up in a round, it's easier than pulling the axe out and
It's pretty exhausting, yeah. Okay.
It was angled.
Yeah, and that's
There you go.
Well, the day finally came and Dylan had to leave. He had to be back in Fairbanks to attend a training class before he heads back up north to the North Slope. And we'll see him again, hopefully over the winter sometime. But thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, leave a comment if you would, and share. And we'll catch you next time.